In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a gradient effect in PowerPoint in a simple, beginner-friendly way. We'll cover two easy methods. First, how to make a gradient background for your slide, and then how to apply a gradient effect to shapes and text. This is a great way to make your presentations look more modern, more polished, and much more professional. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tips. Alright, let's jump right in. Let's start with method 1, creating a gradient background. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide where you want the effect. Now, right-click anywhere on the empty slide area. From the menu that appears, choose Format Background. This will open the background formatting panel on the right side of your screen. Inside the Format Background panel, select Gradient Fill. Once you do that, PowerPoint will give you a few different options to customize the look of the background. You can choose your colors, adjust the gradient stops, and change the direction of the gradient. The gradient stops control where each color starts and ends, so if you want a smoother transition, you can spread them out. If you want a stronger visual contrast, you can bring them closer together. You can also choose the direction of the gradient. For example, a linear gradient creates a smooth transition in one direction, while a radial gradient makes the color spread out from the center. This is where you can really experiment and see what fits your design best. You can keep it subtle for a clean corporate look, or choose brighter colors if you want something more creative and eye-catching. Once you're happy with the result, you can click Apply to All if you want the same gradient background on every slide in your presentation. If you only want it on one slide, then just leave it as is. And just like that, your gradient background is applied. Now let's move on to method 2, adding a gradient effect to shapes or text. First, select the shape or text box you want to edit. Then go to the Format tab at the top of PowerPoint. From there, click Shape Fill and choose Gradient. PowerPoint will apply a gradient fill to the selected shape, giving it a more dynamic and stylish appearance. If you're working with text, you may need to use the text formatting options under Word Art or Text Fill depending on the version of PowerPoint you're using. The idea is the same. Select the object, open the formatting options, and choose a gradient style that enhances the design. You can adjust the colors and direction just like you would with the background. This is especially useful for title slides, call-out boxes, buttons, or any design element that you want to stand out. A gradient can make even simple shapes look more visually interesting and can help your presentation feel more premium. A quick tip here. If your gradient looks too harsh, try using colors that are closer together in shade. That usually creates a cleaner and more professional result. And if you want something bold, try a stronger contrast between your gradient colors to make the element pop. So now you know how to create a gradient effect in PowerPoint using both the background and shape or text methods. This is one of the easiest ways to improve the overall look of your slides without needing any advanced design skills. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple PowerPoint tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.